We would like to know what your answer is to fix healthcare, considering the left has hijacked healthcare.
Yeah, so that's a deeper and longer answer than I think we have time. I know you composed a whole book on it, and I look forward to going through it. The way we do healthcare in this country is wrong. It's really sick care. To the food we eat, to how we treat our bodies, how we talk about this. I have a lot of hope. I think there is this revival in America happening. You can see it on YouTube, honestly, of young people that are caring about longevity and nutrition and intermittent fasting and cold plunges and saunas. And you might laugh at that. It's actually super interesting about how there's more Americans than ever looking at their blood work and their vitamin D levels and increasing testosterone. And there's a doctor, Peter Attia, who's like the #1 best-selling author of the last 30 days, who has a book all about how you can take better control of your life. And so how do we reclaim healthcare? First, forget politically. We have to eat better. We have to be healthier. We have to be better versions of ourselves, right? And that's not a message that always audiences want to hear, right? But it's true, because health outputs can be changed based on small decisions we make of foods we stop eating or foods we start eating. And so that's number one. I think it's really empowering, honestly. And what we learn from healthcare, in my personal opinion, is three main things. Just because you're a doctor doesn't mean you're right. Number two, the #1 way that they're going to control the masses tyrannically is through the auspices of healthcare. And number three, they do not care about science, they care about listening to scientists they like. Those are the three big takeaways as we now re-engage with a healthcare conversation in this country. So thank you very much, appreciate it. Next question.